goddesses, and welcome back to another video. On today's video, we are going to be unboxing the 12 Days of Glam Advent Calendar from Wet n Wild. But before we do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the goddess family. I love you guys so much, and let's hop right into it. Okay, so this Advent calendar has been sitting on my vanity for about 2 weeks now, and I've been really eager to open it. It is so cute and girly. Anything girly, pink, glamorous, I gravitate to immediately. So obviously when I saw this at CVS, I had to pick it up. This does retail for $20. It does say on the sticker here that it is $40 worth of product that you get for $20, which already is a really good deal. I'm gonna do a little up close and personal look so you guys can see what the calendar is all about. I'm really excited to dive into it. I'm kind of sad that the box will be gone. Maybe I can repurpose it in some way. Some of these Advent calendar boxes are really cute, and it's really sad to just like tear them up and open them and rip them to shreds. But how else would I get the products out? So we're gonna go ahead and start with this big number one right here. These are sometimes not the most glamorous to open, so bear with me. Okay. I'm so dramatic. It is an eyelash curler. I love eyelash curlers. I'm gonna go ahead and take her out. Ooh, this is what she looks like. Okay, honey, work. Let's see if I can, I'm grabbing the Friends Turkey palette. Link in description if you guys wanna see my review on this palette. But I'm gonna use this mirror just to like test out this eyelash curler. I have fake lashes on right now, but sometimes I'll like, you know, curl my fake lashes because it'll just give them a little bit more ba-ba boom. Do you guys see what I'm saying? Let's see here. Ooh. But look at how much more awake my eyes look just from that. It's crazy. It actually looks 10 times better now that I curled my fake lashes. So this is a win. I'm really excited about this. Door number 2 is right above door number 1, which is actually not always the case, but for Wet n Wild, apparently it is, which I'm here for. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. This is adorable. Look at the palette. Oh my gosh. This has already been a really good calendar, and I'm on door number 2. But look at this, guys. Look at this. These colors, I love them. I love a good purple. The color purple is supposed to enhance that brown in your eyes. So I'm actually gonna do a really quick swatch for you guys so you can see what this is all about. There is no like actual like shade names with Wet n Wild. Okay, she's pigmented. Okay, work. Cute. And with the 4th shade right here. The texture of these shadows are actually really nice. This is the last one, which is an all black shade. Woo, the black is pigmented, which I love because sometimes I'll get like a black shadow and use it for some parts of like liner or eyebrow, and it's just not as pigmented as I would hope. So I'm really liking how pigmented this shade palette is. Really nice. I'm gonna wipe my hands a little bit, and we're gonna move on to door number 3. Door number 3 is right on top. Oh, I totally messed this up. But this is an eyeshadow brush. Ooh. The little bristles on top are just so good for like packing in that shadow. I really like this type of eyeshadow brush, so excited about this. Okay, moving on to number 4, which is right here. Okay, I don't know what this is. We're gonna have to pop her out. It says Wet n Wild Big Poppa. Bigger is better. I think this might be a mascara. Let's see. Yep, it's a mascara. This is what the little applicator looks like. It is a travel size, which I think is fun. I'm gonna try a little bit of this on my bottom lashes to let you guys know how I feel about it, because I've never used this mascara before, so we'll see. Okay, can you guys tell a difference between this eye and this eye? Be honest. I can tell a little bit of a difference, honestly. And the crazy part is I already have mascara on my bottom lashes, but I could still tell a difference with this mascara. So it's definitely a lot darker than the mascara that I used beforehand, and it gives me more of a doll-like effect. It could be the bristles that it has, but I actually really like it. I might actually invest in the bigger size of this mascara in the near future, so I'll let you guys know and keep you posted. Number 5. Oh, number 5 I think is a concealer, which is interesting. It says Wet n Wild Coverall Liquid Concealer Wand. And the reason I say this is interesting is obviously we're all different shades of beautiful. So it's just funny that they would put a concealer in a very generalized box, because how would they know that this concealer would work for me? What if I'm lighter? What if I'm darker than this concealer color? Actually, surprisingly, this one might work for me, but I'm just saying, I just think it's weird that they put that in this box overall. So this is what it looks like up close. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It has a really nice applicator for sure. I'm gonna just like put some right here so you guys can see. I'm just gonna like dab it in. It does blend really nicely with my skin tone. Again, that might not be the case for everybody that gets this. I'm like thinking to myself, like, should I just add some right here? I'm gonna just do that, because I do feel like I need a little extra concealer today. So let's see. I do like how it brightened my under eyes. That is a huge plus. I do enjoy that. Now, I've never really seen the Wet n Wild concealers whenever I go to the store, but now that I'm kind of digging this one, I may invest also in this product, because I'm actually really liking how it's brightened up my under eyes. Number 6 is a lipstick. I love lipsticks. I actually like this type of lipstick. I got one from them recently and it's really good. So I think it's the same color that I recently got. But look at their lipstick packaging. Isn't it adorable? And it's super affordable. I actually really like it. This is the Megaslicks Matte Mate in the shade Wild Berries. So I'll have that link down below for you guys and if you're interested. This is the shade, what it looks like. It's actually more of a red shade, which I love red lately, if you guys couldn't tell. But let's go ahead and pack her on over top what I have going on. It is a deeper red than what I had on originally, but I actually really like this color for the holidays. One more up close and personal look at the shade Wild Berry. Moving on to the next door number 7. I needed one of these. This is a little bronzer. I like the bronzers from Wet n Wild. They have a really nice shimmer, and this bronzer fits my particular skin tone, so I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging right now. This is what she looks like up close. This is in the shade What Shady Beaches. That's what it is called, so. What Shady Beaches? That is so funny. Who comes up with the shade names? I want to know. This is what it looks like on the inside. How beautiful is that? Anyways, I'm gonna just add a little bit of bronzer to myself so you guys can see. It's a very subtle glow, which I enjoy. I'm gonna actually swatch it for you guys too. I'm gonna put it over the concealer, but yeah. That's what the bronzer looks like. Again, it's very subtle and very cute. Love that. We're gonna move on to the next door. Is door number 8. Right at the very beginning. This is another lip product. This is only the second lip product from this box, which I really enjoy. If you guys saw my last advent calendar unboxing, it was the LA Colors unboxing, and there was like a majority of just lip products. So I enjoy that this one is a variety of face products and not just like lipsticks and lip glosses. This is the megaslicks Balm Stick. It is a moisturizing lip color in the shade Ready or Not. We're gonna open her up right now and see what she looks like. So this is more or less a lip balm stain, which is good for everyday wear. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch test, and I'm actually gonna probably layer this as like a lip liner on over everything else that I have on. So I'm gonna put this at the end. It feels very creamy whenever I like did that little glide test. I love a good creamy lip balm, so I'm just gonna add it. It like glides so nicely. I really like this. It doesn't have a scent to it. Again, that is the shade Ready or Not. Now that my lips are super hydrated, we're gonna go to door number 9. Ooh, it's a really long one. It looks like, yep, it's a eyeliner. Yay! Ooh. Now, the Wet n Wild Crayon Eyeliner in Baby's Got Black. That's the shade name. That is really cute. Baby's Got Black. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use the back of my hand. It's actually extremely pigmented for being a pencil liner. Ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and use this liner in my eyes. Hopefully this doesn't freak you guys out, but I really like the pigment. Ooh, so nice. For a pencil eyeliner, the pigmentation is really, really nice. Okay, so door number 10. Ooh, door number 10. At first I thought it was like a lip gloss, but it says that it's a perfume. It's a limited edition perfume rollerball. Interesting. It looks like there's actually rose quartz crystals on the inside, which I think is super adorable. I'm all into, obviously, crystals and all of that. So I think this is just a really cool thing to have. Plus, rose quartz is the stone of like love and self-love, and it's pink and cute and girly, and I love it. So let me open it actually and smell what this is all about. I'm gonna put it on my wrist. It smells like hairspray. I don't know if you guys know that brand. I think it's called Aussie with like the little kangaroo, and it's like a purple can. It's a really good smelling hairspray, so don't get me wrong, it doesn't smell disgusting and gross, but it does have like that hint of alcohol. As it settles in just like the Aussie hairspray settles in, where it's more of a light scent, but you can still smell a little bit of that like alcohol, flammable scent with it. I'm just being honest, guys, no shade. I actually really like this scent, and I will be using this product. I think it's super adorable and cute. I know this scent isn't for everybody, so moving on to the next door. All right, we are at door number 11. Ooh, I think this is a setting spray, and it is a matte finishing spray, which I love because I have oily skin. And go ahead and try her out. It feels pretty good already for being a matte setting spray. Some matte setting sprays that I've used in the past actually leave like a white overcast on my face. Don't know why, but this one doesn't, which I really like. I also really enjoy the size of this. Again, perfect for traveling, perfect for like an overnight stay, all of that jazz. So I really like that it is miniature size. Packaging is really cute and sleek, very simple. So I'm really excited to use this product in the future and let you guys know my full honest review after wearing it for a few hours. So, all right, it's always like a bittersweet to like get to the end, but then you have like no other doors to open, so it makes me sad. Anyways, we're gonna open it up. Oh, I'm not sure what this is. We're gonna have to take her out of the box. This is a creamy ivory, light, medium, warm. That's what it says. I don't know. I think it might just be like a little pressed powder. This is what the packaging on the front looks like. I'm gonna have to open it up and see. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. I think it's like a powder foundation, honestly. So it has a little sponge. Then you open it up. It has like a little protector. And then here is the shade. I think it's, yeah, it's a cushy foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and dab a little bit of this, and I'm gonna put it right here. so you guys can see. This really did blend out, surprisingly. So I looked out with the foundation and the concealer actually matching me, but I would hate for somebody to spend $20 and then not be able to use all of the products. So be mindful of that. I didn't even know that that was a thing. I had no idea that these products like this and the concealer were in the box because I didn't want to look and spoil the surprise for myself. So I didn't even look to see what was on the back, even though it does have like full description on the back. So that might be something to look out for. But overall, I actually really like the way that this product works. Sometimes it's nice to have a foundation like this. I used to use foundations like this in high school because it was just so much easier to blend them out. So I will definitely be doing a video for you guys in the very near future using all the products that I got in today's calendar. So stay tuned for that. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox the 12 Days of Glam Advent Calendar from Wet n Wild as much as I enjoyed opening it. I love you guys so much. Until next time.